Here we have MUCKANDFUN's first ever electric adults teenage quad, called the MUCKANDFUN ATV 1000. Amazing machines. These are the first ones in Ireland. Had a quick test drive on them yesterday and today, and I actually find them a bit faster than the petrol version of the same size, like a 100cc quad. So they are in the 100cc quad size. Carriers, lights, fully automatic, forward and reverse. Available from MUCKANDFUN now. So these are the first batch ever in Ireland of our new range. We're going to get bigger ones and bigger ones of electric quads. Ideal, no noise, lots of speed, reverse, has all the features, lights, everything, disc brakes, you name it. So here we have the first MUCKANDFUN ever ATV 1000. And next we'll go for a small spin on one. Hopefully I can do this right and sit on this baby and we'll have a go. Give you some idea. Sorry for all the jumping around. Whoops. Not easy one-handed and video, but we have a go. So here we are on the MUCKANDFUN ATV 1000. Please excuse my video, but I do hope it gives you an idea of the quad. So our first ever electric, big size ATVs. MUCKANDFUN ATV 1000 electric. Need any info? Just let us know. Home delivery nationwide, anywhere in Ireland. More info will be on done deal on our website real soon. Your battery pack there in the middle makes the handle and the centre of gravity real low. And there's the twin disc brakes with the electronics to make it shift. So the MUCKANDFUN E ATV 1000.